Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be answering a very simple question. Fiverr or Upwork, which is the best freelancing platform to sell your copywriting services? Now, I would like you to realize that these are two distinct platforms that are very related in several ways. And today I'll be talking about those relationships and how they also differ from each other. So, I'd like you to do something very simple for me. I'd like you to come right over here and subscribe to this channel, right? Subscribe to this channel. Now, if this is the first time you're coming on this channel, my name is Jesse and I make videos around copywriting and how to make money online through copywriting. So I'm practically building a kind of community where freelance copywriters can all come together, we learn from each other and help each other win in the marketplace. Now, you will be encouraging me and also helping to build this community by subscribing and hitting the bell notification button. That anytime I release a video, videos such as this, you'll be able to be one of the first people to get that first timers advantage, right? So if you're right on this channel right now and you want to find out the best and the most useful platform where you can sell your copywriting services, get ready. Let's get straight into it. Now, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where sellers meet buyers who really need these services and are ready to pay depending on the level of their financial budget for your service. Now, the difference here is that on Fiverr, you open an account, you list your gigs, and then you project how much you would like to sell these gigs, right? Now, on Fiverr, when you list your gigs, buyers find you. When they find you, if your gigs and your portfolio is encouraging enough or probably as attractive enough, they will contact you or order directly into your gigs, right? But then on Upwork is a completely different ballgame. Upwork is also a global marketplace where sellers also meet buyers, but in a different form, right? So as a seller on Upwork, all you have to do is to open an account, get your account verified by the Upwork team. After your account is verified by the Upwork team, you get to bid for jobs. Now, how do you bid for these jobs, right? There's something called connects, and these connects are your connection to your prospective buyers. Now, these prospective buyers, what they do is that they come on the platform, they post jobs on the platform, and you, with your connects, every job has a particular number of connects it has. You with your connects, once you see these jobs, you bid for them. The buyer has the sole right to choose anybody he feels like, right? So that's the basic fundamental difference between the two sides. Now on Fiverr, buyers search for you. On Upwork, you search for the buyer. So that's practically the main difference. Now the question is, Fiverr or Upwork, which is the best freelance copywriting platform for you? For me, I have freelanced on Fiverr for quite a number of years, and I can tell you for sure that Fiverr has been good to me, right? So everything I'm telling you on this channel, I'm telling you based on a personal perspective. You are free to do your own research to get more detailed view of what I'm talking about, right? I've also freelanced on Upwork. As of now, I even have I have a profile on Upwork, and I've been working on it. I think for the past year and thereabout. Now, Upwork is actually more difficult for the newbie, right? So if you're on this channel, I believe that you're probably a newbie who is working to improve your copywriting skills, right? So Fiverr is easier for the newbie. Now, Fiverr has strategies people use in getting off to a faster start, right? So it's more like saying most smart people have a way of, opening their gigs, buying reviews or exchanging reviews. The gigs comes up. As it comes up, the algorithm picks it up immediately, and then you get to have a couple of buyers, right? Now, there are strategies that work on Fiverr that cannot work on Upwork. Right. Now, these strategies on Fiverr seem direct, even though they could be really difficult because the algorithm is not fully defined. Nobody can really tell you that you understand the Fiverr algorithm. If you use your computer right now, search through YouTube, you should see so many services that tell you that it will help you rank your gigs on Fiverr, right? Rank on Fiverr, right? There are so many of them. So many of them that will show you, okay, I want to rank on Fiverr. If you want to rank on Fiverr, this is what you're supposed to do. If you're looking right on on your screen right now, you see different ones that will, different videos that will teach you how to rank. Yes, there are strategies that can help you to rank, but these strategies cannot be 100% sure. You cannot be 100% sure that you're going to rank, right? Because as of 2020, the Fiverr algorithm changed because there was so much influx of new buyers and new sellers. Now there was so much, the system could not control it, and it became more difficult for people to find, for sellers to find orders, right? So for a newbie, the Fiverr platform is a bit easier because if you know how to play your game properly, you'll be able to get off to a good start as long as you're selling affordable services, right? $5, $10 services, you get off to a good start and then subsequently improve yourself over a period of time. But on Upwork, it's more difficult for a newbie. So if you're a newbie looking to start off on Upwork, I can tell you that for a fact that it's going to be slightly difficult for you on Upwork because on Upwork you need to build your credibility, and building your credibility takes quite a long time, right? Now you have jobs that come up virtually every 15 to 20 minutes on Upwork, and you have thousands of sellers who bid for these jobs almost every second. In fact, you might think you're the first person to bid on a job, but before you even click on it, someone else is somewhere in the world that probably have bidded for that job, right? And that person is more qualified than you. Just trust me, there's no way you're going to get that job. So it takes a lot of determination to grow on Upwork. But on Fiverr, you can actually grow, especially when your prices are low. You set up your gigs. There are many videos. I think I released a video recently. You can somewhere on the screen where to help you rank your gigs, right? These are strategies that can help you. In as much as they can help you, they are not 100% perfect because the algorithm changes, right? So these strategies can help you in getting started, ranking your gigs the correct way, and placing them where you want them to be, right? So if you're able to start off on a good footing on Fiverr, you can grow over a period of time as long as you're not starting off by charging someone $100 for probably a one-page content, right? So as long as your services are priced very affordable, you will get people. But on Upwork, it's going to be really, really difficult. Over a period of time, you will grow on Upwork. Now, let's talk about long term. On Fiverr, long term growth has consequences. Now, I'm saying this from a personal perspective. Long term growth has some consequences because when you look at long term growth, it means that the algorithm believes that if you have freelanced for over 2 to 3 years, you are supposed to have gotten a few clients. So if you have not gotten these clients after 2 3 years, steady clients, trust me, you get deranked anytime. Right? As of today, in fact, as of the last 1 year, right? So many people have been ranked on Fiverr. But on Upwork is not the same. Algorithm is completely different. You bid for jobs. If you're able to get them, fine. If you're not able to get them, you keep using your connects. If your connects finish, you can still be able to buy more connects. I think roughly it should be about $10 to get a connect, not a particular connect, but $10 to get connects. I don't know how many connects you can get with $10, right? But that should be the baseline for purchasing connects. Now, if you're able to get these connects, you can send us more. You can send multiple proposals as much as possible, increasing your chances of buyers finding you more as attractive than buying your service, right? So over the long term, on Upwork, you have higher chances of sustaining clients because the Upwork platform was built for long-term jobs, long-term sustenance. So here you have clients who are ready to give you jobs for as long as a year. In fact, roughly, if you have roughly like 10 clients or 20 clients, trust me, you might not even need to have a new client because these clients might keep you completely busy all year round, right? But on Fiverr, to get 10 to 15 clients constantly is not very easy. Yeah, it's not very easy. It can be really, really difficult. So I've given you a practical, similarity and difference between Upwork and Fiverr. For me, Fiverr seems like a very, very good option for the newbie. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Tell me, would you prefer Fiverr? Would you prefer Upwork? Are you looking at long-term values of Upwork? Tell me, let me know in the comment section, right? So on this channel, I give you strategies on how to make money online with copywriting, right? So if this is the first time, please and please try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel. Share this video if it was of great value to you. So until next time, thank you so much for watching.